Unit 2, Learning Target Number 7. Compare multi-digit decimals to the thousandths place. Let's quickly review place value. Here on the left side of the decimal point we have our whole numbers. Over here we have 12. Now that 12 is represented by two different digits. The 1 is 110. So there's 110, and then there are two 1s. And when you add those together, that gives us 12, or 12 to the left of the decimal point. Then on the right side of the decimal point, what we have is 0/10ths plus 1 100th, and that is just like that, 0.01, plus 2 thousandths, so that's 0.02, plus 3 10,000ths, 0.003. And we add those together and we get 0.0123. So when we add these together, we get 12.0123. Let's use our knowledge of place value to solve a problem where we compare decimals. Hillman Middle School held a track and field event for the last day of school. Put the following race times in order from greatest to least to determine who wins awards for the first 6 places. So here we have our best times in seconds. And we want to put these in order. So to do that, what we're going to start with is by stacking them on top of each other to find out the proper order. So we'll do this just like this, 20.346. Then we'll put 20.0, and we'll make sure to keep our decimal points in order. 19.892, 20.32, 19.910, 20.466, and we'll just compare all of these together. So, which one of these is the largest? Well, we can go down through here and we can start on the left-hand side and compare our place values. So we'll start from the tens place. 2 is larger than 1, so we know that these numbers are larger than the ones that begin with 1. Moving over here, all of those ones that start with 2 have a 0 in the ones place. Then we have to move over to the tenths place. In the tenths place, 20.466 has the largest value in tenths place, so we know that that is the best time, 20.466. So we'll cross through that one. Now, we're looking for the next largest value. And we go back to the 20s, and we move over again in the ones place, we just have zeros, and we're back to the tens place. In this case, we have two numbers with 3 in the tens place, so we'll move over to the hundreds place. Which one of these is larger? Well, this one is. 20.346 is larger than 20.32, so we'll put this one in second place, 20.346, and we'll cross through it. Now, the remaining 20s, we move over here to the tens place, and this one has a 3 in the tenths place, and this one has a 0 in the tenths place. This one is the larger one, so we'll put this one over here, 20.32. And over here we have the last one of the 20s, which is 20.0, and we can cross through that one. Now we're down to the 19s. Again, we start in the tenths place, and we see that this one and this one are two different numbers, 8 and 9, and this is the larger of the two. So 19.910, and then lastly, that leaves 19.892. So we have first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, and sixth place.